Hello friends, welcome to my channel, a channel for learning simple coding. If you find this video to be helpful, please like, share and subscribe my channel. In this video we are going to learn how we can use where keyword to declare variable in Java. Yes, I am saying where keyword. Those who know Java, they will surprise where keyword. Where keyword is used in other languages like Go, like we have in Kotlin, and we are using where keyword in Java. It's surprising, but yes, in Java we have the where keyword. And how we can use, just see this. Normally we create a variable like this and we can display this variable, or we can use this variable also, and I say num1 like this, and I just execute and we have the output 10. Similarly, in place of int I can have where. Remember, it's a Java and I say where and I'm running, same we have a 10. And in where I can pass floating value also. You see, floating value is there and I am running this, we have this float value. In this where I can declare it like a string also. I say Dr. Vipin and I save this and I run it. We have a name also. Remember? So I am able to use this where keyword for declaring an integer variable, float variable, for a string variable, and for declaring boolean variable also. Remember? So I can use this, but one drawback is there in this variable, that I declare here int num1 semicolon and then I initialize it here. No problem, I can use it. But here for where keyword, remember that I do this and I am using it, no problem. But if I copy this, save once again, and I say where name semicolon, then where equal to Dr. Vipin and semicolon, and I try to execute, no at all, it's an error, unresolved compilation problem, where on variable without initializer. That means you cannot use where as declaring a variable without initializing a value. So we can declare integer like this, we can declare float like this, we can declare string like this, but we can't declare where without initializing. Means we can create a where variable in Java, but it must to initialize it like this. So we have to create a variable, we have to initialize the value this, then it is possible, because we know that Java is what, and here I pass name. Java is a strongly typed language, so it must to decide what is the data type of this variable. So when we initialize any value to this where variable, then it automatically convert itself to a string, because it's a string variable. But if I change the value of this to float like this, then it automatically check its value that this value is float. Remember? So where keyword we can use to declare variable in Java, but we have to initialize the variable while we are declaring. We can't declare a variable and then we later on we want to initialize, not possible with where keyword. So I think you learned something from this video. If you really learn anything from this video, please like, share and subscribe this channel. Thank you for watching this video.